Hi everyone, it's Dawn. I have had such a busy week. I may have mentioned before that I have an office job, and that's my side hustle to my art business and my website publishing business. So it's been busy, and today it's like, oh, I want to paint. And what I want to do today is a seascape, and I have done a similar one before. And you know what? I want to do it again. So this is an 18 by 24 canvas. I've just swiped the edges with some blue because I don't know how much is going to run. I can probably take it off my spatulas. But anyway, this is a different kind of swipe. It's not like a one and done like you often see with a paper towel or a sheet protector. But I use a big icing knife. And I blend the colors back and forth. It's kind of relaxing because you just play with the paint. Like I said, I've done one of these very early on in my channel, and I want to do another one again. I've got all kinds of shades of blue over here, plus white. And there is 2 or 3 drops of the OGX coconut milk in each of these colors. And I'm just going to start pouring because you didn't come to watch or listen to me talk and nothing happening. So this is Prussian blue Prussian blue. Yes, obviously not caffeinated enough to talk today. Prussian blue hue. And I really love this blue. It's the closest one I have to navy. And it's just a really pretty color. I'm not going to put it all on, but there we go. I think this is ultramarine blue. Isn't that just a pretty bright blue? It's like awesome. I'll just randomly put the blues down. I want it darker towards that end because water in the distance often looks darker. And if you're wondering about these spatters, well, my Prussian blue hue spattered coming out of the bottle today and got on my canvas, but it's okay because we're just going to cover it up. Anyway, so I'm just going to kind of work through the colors, dark to light, concentrating the darkest up here and the lights further down. And it doesn't really matter how you get it on the canvas, as long as you get it on the canvas. This is metallic cobalt blue. It's actually a lovely shade of green. Up here, this is aqua green. And this pretty, this one is turquoise. Where's the one I was thinking I was grabbing? This is ice blue. It's also metallic. I like that one too. So I'm just going to get the paint on. And then we'll get to swiping. So like I said, this is just a big icing knife. I think I got it for like $1 at the thrift store. So I just want to start up here. And I'm literally just playing in the paint. I'm just swiping it back and forth. And while you're playing with it, you're breaking up the silicone. Normally you want, I mean, we all fantasize over having big cells, but working with the paint the way I'm doing it today, it'll break it up into smaller cells. And that's actually rather desirable in a waterscape. You see what do you see? I hope you can see. That the silicone is breaking up. I do could have a little bit of paint on the side, or excuse me, on the bottom here. So maybe I'll just dab it here on my edges. I expect there's going to be some overflow. Oh, it's dripping off, that's okay. Yeah, this is more an exercise in just playing with paint more than anything, but every time I've done this, the results have been quite impressive. It does make a nice background for an embellished pour, although I wouldn't really call this a pour. The paints that I'm using are all mixed. 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol with some water added for consistency. So, as you can see, it's starting to look like water, and we're just going to play with this. I say we, I am, but I'm including you because you're watching. So nice of you to come today. Check out what I'm doing on the channel. I'm not wearing gloves today because A, I don't like to wear gloves, and B, it's not that messy when you're using tools instead of your hands to move the paint. I just wanted to get a good base of blue down on the canvas, and then we'll add some white and work it in for waves. And if we mix the colors too much, well, there's more in the containers off to the side there that we can pour a little bit more on if we want to. Muddy. Yeah, I realize, working this way you can make things muddy, but they're all shades of blue. And they mix together quite nicely. Ah, I just got paint on me. No surprise, I'm painting, I got paint on me. At what point do you say, oh, I've done enough? We've all had that experience in our painting. When have we done enough? I'm inclined to say now. So there you have it. I say there you have it. I just realized I dripped here, so I'm just going to work that in. It is really hard to make a mistake with this. And there's enough paint here, we can tilt it. Just a little. I think that is It's really pretty. So, I'm going to get my camera down and show you a close-up in just a moment. Here is the finished product. As you can see, there's lots of teeny tiny cells that kind of are reminiscent of little bubbles in the water. So I find this kind of painting fun to do. It's pretty hard to mess it up because even if you overwork your colors, you can always add a little bit on top and swipe again. So there you have my big Seascape swipe painting. Thank you so much for tuning in today and spending some time with me. Be sure to hit like and subscribe before you go. And hey, I've got lots of other videos. Why not check them out? Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.